Leatherman rides Mystic Mine, number 45. Andrea and Mystic Mine are tied for fifth on 48.3. And as things stand at the moment, a clear round would move them up into fourth position going into cross country. Mystic Mine, Andrea Leatherman, number 45. So it is a clear, 48.3. Andrea Leatherman takes fourth spot going into tomorrow's cross country. Gives us a 15th clear in the CIC 1 star. So let's have a look at those provisional results going into cross country.